and welcome to the next episode of Hayden the Cooking Kid. Today we're going to be making a Lucky Charms smoothie. Basically this is just going to be a smoothie, but it's going to have Lucky Charms in it. I don't know, I just thought I needed to do like a drink, and I couldn't really think of anything that was like, had never been done before. And then I thought, Lucky Charms are really sweet. They would make a good milkshake smoothie type thing. So I did. And I'm also thinking, like at the bottom of cereal boxes, you know, they always have the crumbs. I'm gonna like put whipped cream or Ready Whip on top of it. I'm gonna like sprinkle the crumbs over it. And then I'm just gonna pie my face. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Let's get to the kitchen and see. Hey everyone, and welcome back into my kitchen. Here are the ingredients we're gonna use for my Lucky Charms smoothie. First ingredient, obviously, Lucky Charms. You won't need too many. Next ingredient is a banana. We're using the banana to make the smoothie, or you should probably say milkshake, a little more thickened, so it's really a milkshake. The banana is optional though. You can add as much or as little as you want. Next we have milk to make it a milkshake, Ready Whip for when it's finished making it, and some ice. Let's get started. So we have our cup here. Pour in some Lucky Charms. Oops. Lucky Charms. We want to put in as much as we can without filling the blender cup to the max, because then it'll really be a Lucky Charm smoothie. Next we'll add our milk. There. And now we'll add some ice. Oops. And then we'll add some banana. I'm gonna add just the little top part. About that much is good. Now, let's blend it all together. Guys, remember, don't forget the lid. It will not be good if you don't have a lid on your milkshake. There we go, that looks about good. You might wanna cover your ears, guys. This is gonna be loud. There. It looks pretty good. Has a good consistency. Let's see. Yeah, it looks kind of greenish. That's okay. You can call it like unicorn barf or something. Look at this, that's pretty good. Some didn't blend, but that's okay. So we're gonna take our cup and we're gonna pour the milkshake in. There. Now, we're gonna add our Ready Whip. I love Ready Whip. Yummy.
You gotta hold the can upside down.
Upside down, baby.
Don't do this at home. It's a long-term limit. Now, let's make it all pretty now. There. And now, we will add some of the Lucky Charms sprinkles onto it, and some of the actual cereal part. And I'm gonna get a straw. I'm gonna get I have very colorful straws, because Lucky Charms are very colorful. Now, here we go. Well, there's our milkshake. I hope Uncle Clay likes it. Let's go and see. Oh, hey, Uncle Clay.
Hi, Hayden. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are
Speaking
you?
of the morning, I brought my wonderful Lucky Charms shake. It's the cereal kind. Want to try it?
Yeah, it's a milkshake made out of Lucky Charms. And this is whipped cream on the top?
Ready.
Ready Whip. Okay. It's a little green.
Yeah. More brownish green.
Brownish green. All right. Well, I really like Lucky Charms, so I'm gonna give this a try. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here goes. It's a little thick.
Yeah, we added banana.
I mean, like, the mushed up cereal is pretty thick.
Yeah.
The flavor is really good. The consistency might need a little work.
Yeah, maybe no banana next time.
I think it might need the banana. I think the cereal is just a little, it's kind of like drinking oatmeal.
Yeah.
You
Well-
give it a try, or no? No. Okay, well.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. Come back for the next episode of Hayden the Cooking Kid. Bye! Sneeze. Wait. I'm good.
Okay.
It's gross.
It's pretty good. It is a little banana-y.